Good morning students, I am Shomajit sir. Today I am here to deliver my lecture on topic crop protection management. This is from the chapter improvement in food resources. So watch the entire video lecture to get basics out of it. So without any delay, let's start with the topic crop protection management from the chapter improvement in food resources. So let's start. So from the topic crop protection management, we'll see how the crops are being managed and they are protected. Clear? And how the protection of plant is being done will be discussed here. Under crop protection management, you see when the crops is in the field, it needs protection against weeds, insects, pests and other diseases. We know that crops are being infected by weeds, insects and other diseases. So how we can control it, isn't it? So what are weeds? Like weeds are unwanted plants in the cultivated fields. Example, xanthium, amaranthus. Weeds are what? They are unwanted plants of the cultivated plant. That means they do not cause any beneficial effect, but they only harm the plant by taking additional nutrient from the soil. If they are also present and the beneficial crops are also present, then in the soil there will be nutrient deficient. Next we'll see how weeds are harmful to main crops. We can see here, see they compete for food, space, light and essential nutrient, thereby reduced growth of the main crops. They promote the attack by crop pest and diseases by attacking as altered host to insects and microorganisms. During harvesting, weeds get mixed up with the crop to lower down its quality. Now methods of weed control, how we can control weeds. Like weeds can be controlled by following waves. Clear? Weeds can be controlled by following ways. Number one is manual removal of weeds. Clear? First one is manual removal of weeds. Second one is adopting cultural methods like proper bed preparation, timely sowing of crops, intercropping and crop rotation. Third is using weedicides like 2,4-D. The full form is 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid, and NCPA. The full form of NCPA is 2-methyl-4-chlorophenoxyacetic acid. Then another weedicide is atrazine and butachlor. Next, what are insect pests? Clear? Insects which destroy or damage crop plants are called insect pests. They affect the overall health of the crop and reduced yield. They attack the plant in the following three ways. Number one, they cut the root, stem and leaves. They suck the cell sap from the various parts of the plant and they bore into the stem and fruits. So these are the three ways that affect the plant. That means pests or insects affect the plant. Next, methods of insect pest control. How we can control the insect pest? Number one is using pesticides. Second one is using natural insecticide. Under using pesticide, we'll see the chemical used to eliminate pests are called pesticides. They include insecticide for killing the insects, weedicide for killing the weeds, rodenticides for killing the rats, and fungicide for killing the fungi. Next is universal natural insecticides like neem is there, nicotine is there, pyrethrum is there. Clear? Next is storage of grains. In order to make the seasonal fruits available throughout the year, they are stored in safe storage. During storage, they may get destroyed and wasted by the following factors. Number one is biotic factor and abiotic factors. So what are the biotic factors? They include living organisms like insects, birds, mites, bacteria and fungi. And abiotic factors like they include non-living environmental like moisture content, humidity of air and improper temperature. Preventive measures to be used while storage of food grains are given below. Number one is dyeing. Number two, cleaning and maintenance of hygiene before storage. Number three, regular check on godowns. Number four is fumigation. Clear? So what is drying? The harvested food grains should be dried properly before storage. Next is cleaning and maintenance of the hygiene. Like the food grains should be properly cleaned and then filled in absolutely dry and clean gummy bags before keeping in godowns, warehouses or stores. Now regular checks should be there, isn't it? In godowns, and warehouses and stores should be properly cleaned, dried and repaired. And next is fumigation, like those pesticides which can destroy insects by forming toxic fumes are called fumigants, and the process of their use is called fumigation. Fumigants can be solid, liquid or gases. For examples like aluminum phosphate, that is a solid fumigant, ethylene dichloride, carbon tetrachloride, that means EDCT, that is a liquid fumigants, and methyl bromide, that is a gaseous fumigants, are some commonly used fumigants. So student, these are the homework questions. Number 1 is, what factors may be responsible for losses of grains during storage? And number 2 is, why should preventive measures and biological control methods be preferred for protecting crops? So these are the 2 questions. So student, here in this lecture we have studied how crop protection management can be done. Clear? Thank you student, this was all about the entire video lecture. Hope you have liked the video lecture and have got a clear concept. You have received the clear concept about it. So stay at home, stay safe. I am Shomji sir signing off for today, and again we'll meet in the next class. Thank you so much.